welcome back to my channel. Today we are back again with another recipe video. Today I'll be sharing with you recipe of making classic French toast in my version. So let's begin. So here I've taken a bowl in which I'll be cracking in 2 eggs. That's the first one and that's the second one. To this then I will be adding in 2 spoons of sugar. I'm adding in as per my choice. You can add in as per your requirement. Later then I'll be whisking it very nicely till it becomes frothy and gets mixed very well. So it's been about 2 to 3 minutes I've been whisking it very nicely. Now it's all done. So to this I'll be adding in half a cup of milk, give it a nice mix. Once you've mixed it very well, to this I'll be adding in 2 green cardamom powdered, mix it very well. So now our base mixture is all ready. Now we move on to the next step. So here I've kept a pan to heat, which is medium flamed. Once the pan is nice hot, I'm gonna add in some butter and let it melt. Once the butter has melted nicely, I'm gonna move to the next step, that is dipping the bread in the mix that we prepared. Here I've taken 4 bread slices. So I'll be using one bread at one time, dipping it nicely into the mix. Not for more than 50 or 60 seconds. Similarly, I'm gonna do the second one and let it roast on both the sides, which will approximately take 5 to 7 minutes. So here it's roasted from one side. You can see how nicely it's roasted. It took me about 3 to 4 minutes to roast from one side. So I'm going to do the same for the second one. So guys, you can see our French toast is all ready. How nicely it's cooked. You can see how caramelized the base is. The cover is it's coated. So I've cooked it from both the sides. So I'm going to take in a plate and show you all. So see how nicely it's been done. It's so nice and crispy. So similarly, I'm gonna do the next 2 breads. So guys, I've finally done the plating. Let me show you a classic French toast. See, look how yummy it's turned out to be. So I've topped it up with some honey. There's an option, you can use Nutella, chocolate rub, or you can use you can just scatter in some powdered sugar on it and serve in some fruits. This is one of the biggest, easiest recipe that you guys can make, especially for children. I'll show you how nice it is. See, nice and soft. It's not even soggy from inside. You can see the crispiness of the bread, and I've put some honey on it. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take one slice on my bread plate and taste and show you all how it's turned out to be. Mmm, it's so yummy, not that sweet also, and not soggy also, just the right way it has to be. It's so tasty, I can't tell you. It's very serene, light, not heavy also, very quick. You guys saw how within 5 minutes I made the whole recipe. This recipe has lots and lots of childhood memories of mine. I learned this recipe from my mom. She used to make it for us for our lunch boxes. She used to make it for us in our tea time. It's one of the easiest. Your children are gonna love it, and you can do it for their lunch box. You can have it in breakfast. You can serve them with fruits. It's nice. It's not that it has honey, which I use. You can use Nutella as an option. You can also use um you can also sprinkle in some powdered sugar, as I told you before. Very nice, quick and easy recipe, guys. I'm missing my mother after eating this. Guys, our parents are very special. Yesterday I was missing my parents so much. I just want to tell you all, love and respect your parents that you've got. Today you've got them, tomorrow they might not be with you. Appreciate every moment you guys spend with your parents, guys. That's all for today's video. I hope you liked it. It's very quick and easy recipe. If you liked our video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. That's all for today's video. See you in your next video. Till then, be happy and stay smiling. Bye bye.